Hey guys, Chris with PDX Restorations here. We're back with our massive bathroom remodeling project, and I wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's been done so far. So let's take a look. At this point, we're getting ready for tile. Cement board is up, niche box has been framed, plumbing is all in place, new shower head location has been determined. Looks good. We're getting the tiles installed here soon. I'll show you on the next video what that looks like. I also wanted to mention the floor squeaks. Remember to address those during your remodeling project. For us, we've had to replace some sections of the subflooring and then screw down other areas some more. What I like to do is I want to give it a day or two just for the house to acclimate. There's, cold and warm areas, and come back the next day, you find more squeaks. Come back another day, you find more squeaks. And so give it a little bit of time and see how it adjusts to the new situation. Once the floor tiles are down and cement, it also helps a little bit, but I would hate to have the tiles finished and then you have that one annoying squeak that's still there. So we try to catch it early. As far as our project goes, we also have had the drywall texture. We've had some drywall repairs here and there. If you remember, we had the deck tub still here for our last video, I think, and the walls needed to be replaced. So the drywall has been installed, the texture has been matched and sprayed. We have primed the fresh texture and we're pretty much ready for paint. Also on the cabinet, there's a quick update here. We used to have this center console all the way up to the wall. We removed it so we can remove the countertop, and the client really likes the new look. It's nice and open, and so I think we're gonna keep it this way. We're not gonna reinstall it. Another thing I wanted to mention, after demo, after everything has been removed, we built the habit of just installing these temporary lights just so we can still have light. It's still safe and it helps us keep clean. Remember, if you're doing a demo, just don't leave yourself blindsided right afterwards, after removing all the fixtures. One last thing I want to mention, on our project, I want it clean. This is what I like to see. We don't want any nails, any drywall debris. We don't want to be stepping on building materials. At the end of the day, we want it swept, vacuumed, and so what that does is reduces allergens, it reduces any debris being caught under the new finish, so you don't have to inhale it after we're done, right? So a little bit of a clean freak. This is what I want my projects to look like all the time, right? This is it for now. Thanks for checking in. Chris with PDX Restorations, and till next time, remember, we take the guesswork out of your remodeling project.